Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Cloudflare DNS settings before dropshipping migrations. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard where your websites are listed. Select the domain for which you want to backup the DNS settings. Once on the domain settings page, locate the DNS tab. Click on the DNS tab to view your current DNS records. Take note of the existing records displayed on the screen. For a comprehensive backup, it's crucial to capture all record types. Use a text editor or spreadsheet application for this purpose. Manually copy each DNS record, including a, name, MX, and TXT records. Ensure you record the name, type, content, and TTL for each entry. Alternatively, consider using a third-party tool to export DNS records automatically. If such a tool is available in your region, follow its instructions for export. After capturing all records, double-check for accuracy to prevent potential issues. Save the information securely in a file format that suits your needs. Once the backup is complete, consider taking a screenshot for visual reference. Keep the backup document updated if you make future changes to your DNS settings. After confirming your backup, you can proceed with your dropshipping migration confidently. This ensures you have a reliable set of records to restore if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.